Many investors find it difficult to strike a balance between direct equity and mutual funds in their portfolio. Let's welcome our industry expert Mr. Sandeep Singhi to enlighten you on this now.
Typically, when you look at the direct equities, it becomes much more specialized job for you. So you have to do the stock research, you have to identify the right company and probably the entry price. So what you have done by investing into a mutual fund is you have hired a fund manager, professional fund manager who is backed by various sector analysts, which throws up the numbers, and based on those numbers, the fund manager is able to do the job. I think if you have been investing into mutual funds for almost 3 years, I think stay with it, the mutual fund way. But if you think that you can analyze or probably do a stock picking, then you can try or test the waters. But I would still suggest that probably the mutual funds you have hired at zero cost, the fund managers and the analyst who is doing the job for you.
Free to avail our expert consultation, and also you can attend our webinars to gain investment related insights. Both the consultation and webinar are absolutely free, and you can find the link in the below description. Please like and share, and do subscribe to Holistic Investment.